Hey YouTube, thanks for checking in today. If any of you guys have ever visited or flown into Put-in-Bay's airport, you may have seen the house on the northeast side of the runway that looks like it has a control tower attached to it. I thought maybe today we'd head up that way and see if we can get a look at what's inside there. So come along for the ride. All right, everybody, we are here at Put-in-Bay Airport. This is my buddy Mark. He's a guy with a Tri-Pacer. I'm sure you've seen some of his videos before.
How you doing?
He's the guy that owns the house with the control tower on it. And you wonder, what does an airport the size of Put-in-Bay need a control tower for?
There's the lake.
We're gonna find out. You can see Lake Erie back on the other side of the house from the tower. Let's walk over here. We'll get a view of it. It's got nice stonework on the outside of it. Rather unique looking home. Looks great. Now, does Mark secretly work for the FAA? I don't know.
Mark doesn't work.
Yeah, Mark doesn't work. But, you know, let's go inside and see what's up there. All right, let's go on in. And we're gonna check out this high-tech equipment they've got up here in the tower. Anyways, this is Mark's home. His island home he built also. The island home came prior to the tower, right?
Correct. I built the house 25 years ago.
Okay, 25 years ago, Mark and friends, no hired contractors, it was Mark and his friends. All right, let's head up the steps. Mark, why are these big rivets on the wall here?
Well, I acquired the tank itself in 1999, and it was built around 1950.
This is a tank of some sort.
It was actually a gasoline storage tank, and it's 10 feet in diameter, 20 feet tall. And you can see it's not welded together, it's riveted.
Oh yeah.
Now when I started the steps, I started at the top and worked my way down. Building the steps and putting the handrail and the wrought iron up. Nice. And this has been here 20 years now.
Spiral staircase, looks gorgeous. All right, I think I can hear some of that equipment up there. Is there a radio up here?
There's an aircraft radio on.
Aircraft. So the controller that's working up here now is probably guiding the planes in. Huh?
Yeah.
All right, here is where it all happened. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? Is this a bar?
It appears to be a bar.
It appears to be a bar. Look at that refrigerator. Very cool.
Bush latte.
Bush latte. All right, let's just take a look at this so we can appreciate the work he did here. The staircase comes up underneath the bar. You walk around a circular staircase, up underneath the bar, and you emerge to see, what's this? Where's the partition so people can't see it?
It's invisible.
Ah. All right.
There's the runway.
There's the runway right out there.
Few airplanes parked there today.
Very cool.
We brought the tank up here in 2001, just after Labor Day, and started laying the stone. There's 20 tons of stone and 13 tons of mortar. I did not finish the stone until '02, but you can see the walls all lean out, and that's 7 degrees. That helps deflect the sun.
Mm-hmm.
And I wanted to make it look as original as it could be. The walls I built back where I lived in Shelby at the time and hauled them up. I built the roof, the ceiling on the ground, and I hired a local crane to come lift it and put it into position. All the wrought iron railing under the bar and stuff like that was all prefabbed. I did all that in advance. But I figured it would take me 15 days to lay the stone, and it took me 20. So that was pretty close.
Yeah.
But it was
It's a lot of stone.
a lot of stone. I went to reach this high with it. I built a forklift out of an old International combine, and that's how we lifted all the stone up. We called it Forkzilla.
So it was an ugly machine, but it got the work done.
It was a very ugly machine.
So, all right, guys. If you ever come up to Put-in-Bay and you fly in or happen to drive a golf cart past the control tower house, you know what goes on up here. We sit up here, enjoy a few adult beverages, cheers, and watch the planes come in and out. Great way to spend a day at Put-in-Bay. All right, thanks for coming along. We will get some more interesting videos out there to you soon. But please, if you like this one, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button for me. That would really help me out a lot. And come on up to Put-in-Bay sometime. If you're ever here and you see that hangar door open, you know Mark's here. Mark, very social guy. He very proud of his work. If you want to see the inside of the control tower, I don't see any reason why he wouldn't give you guys a tour. So stop on up.
Have a good one. Cheers.